System, because nowadays we have water tank and there are many things actually. We can store water. When you turn on the switch, we can get water. What is our cover here? When we turn on the, when we turn on, Randy sir, you cover with us. Sir, come. Sir, under Randy. See, here we can find something different back of us. Nowadays, what is happening? Technology completely behind the culture, and we don't know actually. We have seen such thing somewhere else through cameras, like some videos and books somewhere else. This is the reality. Nowadays, we find completely a pipeline system. Then how it was earlier? It was completely different. Earlier, the farmer used to storage here water. When they rotate, it reflect come out. From there is, if you see there is something. This is completely something different. If people back up me. అక్కడ వెళ్దాం సార్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి అక్కడ వెళ్దాం సార్. అరుణ్ సార్, మీరు పీపుల్ గ్యాదర్ చేయండి, అక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వెళ్దాం. See, now let us talk on about connectivity. So this is also something well. The moment we hear well, we understand. We are eating different kind of water. Tata, Kelly, Bisleri, what not. There are many things, but you understand well. It's itself wellness, right? Now we are drinking different water and people checking pH value, and there are many things. But this is completely, there is no machinery, there is no current, there is nothing. Everything is purified. The water itself purify in this well, and we are not ready to drink. Whenever our ancient people used to drink this kind of water, they did not used to face any kind of problem. They were healthy. The water also playing vital role while health conscious, because we are drinking Bisleri water, this water, that water, by adding, and we are adding drinking many things. When we drink the beyond the limit, we face the problem. And those people, they never check pH value. Now people are checking pH value. There are so many factors. So from there, from well to other, how do we connectivity? Let us see here. There are something reflecting over there. This is the connectivity, and this is also one kind of exercise. Most important. దీని గురించి చెప్పండి, నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. Rainwater. This is very informative information, because we are the only taker. We always want to take, but we never want to give it back. The nature has given. See this, look at, you might have seen, this is something very new for you people. But remember, as a parent, as a children, as a audience, this is very important thing. Whenever raining is a rainy season, we notice that water pouring the different places. But have you ever thought where it is going? We least bother about it because we do not have awareness. If you really want to aware of the certain things, you would have look after. This is, something, the storage system which we call, and whenever the water, rainy season, if the storage, and it is something giving back to nature, right? వర్షాలు పడ్డప్పుడు మనం సమ్మర్ రాగానే బోరు బావులు ఎండిపోయినాయి, ఇక్కడ బోరింగ్లలో వాటర్ రాదు. ఎందుకు రాదు అంటే, వర్షాలు పడ్డప్పుడు ఇలాంటిది ఒక రీఛార్జ్ సిస్టమ్. ఎప్పుడైనా 10% బ్యాటరీ అవ్వగానే అయ్యో కరెంట్ లేదు, చార్జర్ లేదని ఇంతలా బాధపడతారు. కానీ భూమి లోపల ఇలా వాటర్ లేదని ఏ రోజు ఎవ్వరికి పరేషాన్ ఉండదు. ఎందుకంటే అసలు మనకు తెలియదు కదా, తెలుస్తేనే జాగ్రత్త పడతాం. ఇది కూడా ఇక్కడ వర్షం పడ్డప్పుడు దీంట్లో వాటర్ స్టోరేజ్ అయి దగ్గరున్న బావులు కానీ బోరింగ్ వీటికి కొంచెం వాటర్ రీస్టోర్ అయ్యే సిస్టమ్ అన్నట్టు. ఇది ప్రతి ఇంట్లో మెయింటైన్ చేయాల్సిన విషయం. చాలా మంది ఏమంటారు అంటే, మేము రెంటెడ్ హౌసెస్ లో ఉంటాం, మా ఓనర్ కి తెలియదు, ఆయన ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తలేడు, ఏమని అడిగితే ఇల్లు ఖాళీ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోమంటారు. ఇవన్నీ కాదు. ఇలా సిస్టమ్ ఉండి ఆయనకు తెలియదు, ఆయనకు ఎడ్యుకేట్ చేయగలిగితే మన భవిష్యత్ తరాలకి ఒక వాటర్ అనేది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే, వాటర్ ని కూడా కొని తాగే స్టేజిలో వచ్చేసినాం. ఎందుకంటే అవేర్నెస్ లేకపోవడం, అవగాహన లేకపోవడం, ఇలాంటి రీఛార్జ్, మొబైల్ రీఛార్జ్, ఇలాంటి రీఛార్జ్ సిస్టమ్ లేకపోవడం. ఈ రోజు ఎవరైతే వచ్చారో పిల్లలు, వాళ్ళు చెప్పేదాకా కూడా తెలియని పరిస్థితి ఇక్కడ. సో ఇలాంటి సిస్టమ్ కూడా మనం అలవాటు చేసుకోగలిగితే నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్ కి వాటర్ కూడా ఇలా ఉంటది అని ఒక టీవీలోనో ఒక పేపర్లోనో ఒక బుక్ లో తీసుకొచ్చే పరిస్థితి రావద్దన్న ఉద్దేశంతో ఇది ఒక మంచి కాన్సెప్ట్, అందరు చేస్తే చాలా బాగుంటది. ద నెక్స్ట్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి వాటర్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ వాటర్ కనెక్టింగ్ సిస్టమ్. Water connecting system, this is something, a pipeline. So this is, which we call, when we hear, there are so many memories back of this, so many memories. So we are holding and connecting each other and chit chat. So if you talk on about the villages, many people they hold, and while going and carrying, they are taking and sharing so many memories. And this is like a one kind of connectivity. It's not a pipeline, it's the human line. So people, whenever they come for water, they used to find many things and they chit chat about these things. And this is also one kind of exercise. People nowadays, have you ever seen those who are living in cities, they are going walking, they go for a walk with dog, the where the farmer walk along with cow and animal. So this is also one kind of fitness. You are getting proper water. It's a connecting human relation also. Nowadays, as technology has been developed, what is happening? They without hidden pipes, they are surfacing water over the earth. We do not connect it. So this is also very good system. And while talking, we are a human. We cannot remain silent. We always talk. So while walking also, we chit chat something. We should know. Whenever we carry our own water, then we use properly. Nature taught a lot. Everything is unique. Everything is systematic. The next. This is something. Undani wala. You can take. No problem. You take it. See here. This is something. When you want to play, when we wake up in the morning, you join with us. Come. All of you girls for one photo. All of you come. All the girls come here, stand here for a photo session. Video, we'll capture video. See, come forward, you join with us, there is no problem. You join with us. Whenever we want to play, when you wake up in the morning, generally what we do, if you want to join with us, you can, girls, you can join with us.
Altogether not.
No, at least they can find. Enough? Saripotara? No problem. You stand around me, Amma. So this is something, play area. Remember one thing, so this is also which we call for olden days rooftop for the houses. Olden days rooftop. This is something, now we are leaving the luxurious house and we are forgetting our culture. Generally, see here the children, how many, there are many children, go back. There are many children, they are leaving, they gather here for entertainment. Now when you go back of the screen, people living completely with mobile. By holding the mobile, they are watching entire the world. There is no human interaction. There is no human relation. If you see the faces of the children, you'll come to know they are completely connected to the nature. The moment they enter into the nature, they realize that we are human. We are completely living as an animal to custodial under in the mobile phone. When you wake up in the morning, generally farmer can go to where they will go, agriculture field, at least they walk. For that walking, nowadays in the modern era, people paying membership in monthly and going to ground because we are completely addicted to mobile. So this is something, and come inside, all of you. Here something, the memories which we can remember in our childhood. This is only for, according to, listen, this is only something people know. This is for food. This is food for animal. Okay. And here there are so many games, and we can play. Nowadays we have ground and instrument. There are so many things, but whatever we have, we are playing. But this is something we can play, very natural game. You can connect each other. You discuss while playing. Also interact a lot. The problem is that we are completely playing with the mobile. We are forgetting. And here see Somebody can go and climb the fall down. This is a reality. When the child student come from there, that feel is completely different. This is completely different because we understood see. But what is happening in modern era? So this is some entertainment. Even I also can come. Come. Huh. See, this is something the unique activity and where we can enjoy a lot in the all aspect. Because here you can jump from there, you can fall down and you get irritated. But even that is not irritated. This is something entertainment. The we are like naughty people, right? You climb there and fall down. Cover those people also. They are coming. This is also one kind of activity. For this, we are going to gym and paying thousands of money, and we are losing our health. So this is the unique play area, and this is what see. Come climb.
Come.
Come here. Will you? Ah. Do you need? Try. Very good. Very good. Very good. So the people can enjoy very naturally. And you gather here, not to glance here and there. You can jump from here and enjoy your game. There is no restriction. There is nobody to stop you. And this is something your lifetime achievement because you are living in modern eras in the Hyderabad city. You forgot everything.